Welcome. In front of me I have the brand new released iPhone 17 Air, and I'll be showing you how you can apply a lens protector to the thinnest phone. Just kidding, the thinnest phone would actually be Honor Magic V5, which is over 20% thinner than the iPhone. It comes with bigger battery too. Anyway, in the package that I have with the little lens protector, I also have wet and dry wipes, and obviously the little protector itself. Now let's grab our wet wipe first, and you just want to clean off the lens. Now the one that I have is basically identical to what Samsung has with their devices by default. So also I already applied a couple of them, so I know that the way these stick is by gluing themselves to the actual glass part of the lens itself, unlike previous protectors for iPhones that would apply to the area around the camera. So make sure that your lens is cleaned, particularly of any kind of like grime, like finger oils or anything like that, as this would make the glue on this harder to stick. And once you wipe that off, make sure that there's no dust on this lens, and then just peel it off. There we go, and plop it on here. Now here the protrusion from the camera is a bit bigger, so it's not going all the way to the bottom, which you can kind of see once the camera catches focus. There we go, so you can see we do have a bit of a space. That silver portion, that's still the lens, the black one is the protector itself. So this is all the way on there. So anyway, there we go. Pretty simple. The one that I have right here doesn't really fit the aesthetic of the iPhone Air, as it number one has literally Samsung's like S25 lineup lens kind of design as a protector. It's also black, so it doesn't fit the aesthetic to like the silver sides, but possibly there are other ones. This is just what I had on hand right here. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.